I'm Andrew, and this is an instructional video on how to use Google Presentation. So, to open up a new Google presentation, go to New, and then click on Google Slides, and a new presentation will pop up. It's being a little slow. Alright, so on the side, the first thing you'll notice is there'll be a theme to choose from. So you can scroll through and find one you like. I'll just pick this simple theme. I'll just add my name real quick so there's nothing there. So if you want to add new slides, which if you're doing a presentation you probably will, you can hit Control M, and that will add a new slide for every time you press that. And you can also change the layout by right clicking on it, and if you go to apply layout, there'll be a bunch of different layouts you can choose from. Uh, so typically on slides you'll have topics. So uh, if you have topics, you might be listing things out. And if you're listing things out, to make it all look nicer, you might want bullet points. So to get to bullet points, go to More, and then find the little bullet point image. If you click on that, then you'll get bullet points, which makes your slide look a lot nicer. And then you can go through and find nicer looking ones. And to insert images and videos, just go to Insert at the top. If you click on video, it'll ask you for a YouTube URL, or you could, if you have it already, or you could just search the video. So we'll add an image, and there's a bunch of different ways you could search from their library or Google Drive, but I'll just upload one from my desktop. So I'll upload this one. Kind of matches the theme when you'll see it. Takes a sec, and then you can size this down, and then it has the nice lines so you can line it up. So we'll get a little bit more in depth now. We'll talk about animations. So if I wanted my bullet points to like fly in on the screen, then just place your cursor behind it and go back up to Insert, and then go to Animation. You'll see animations come up here. So you can choose an animation for the slide. So I guess we'll do one really quick. Then you can adjust the speed. But we want to do an animation on the bullet points. So just click on the fade in for your bullet point, and then you can actually choose different ways that it comes in, and then you can choose if it comes in on click, after the previous transition or animation, or with the previous animation. So I think on click's the best. And if you have it all in one text box like this, if you want each one to fly in individually, then you want to press by paragraph. And then you can go in and just do the same for the other bullet points. And you can pick different ones. You can even put an animation on the picture, which is pretty cool. We can do after previous, appear, and so that makes it pretty cool. So if I press play here, we'll be able to see, you saw it fade in, you see the numbers come up. So that's how you add animations. So to play your presentation, say we got this where we want it, you can press present, and it'll present on which slide you're on, or you can go down to this little drop arrow and then you can press present from the beginning and it will load eventually. Uh, and then you can just click and it'll go through your presentation. Uh, so if you want to, you can also present with speaker notes, and if you want to like print this out to uh, go over your slides before you have a presentation, you can do print settings and preview, and then there's a bunch of different options. You could have a bunch of slides on one sheet to look at really small, or you can also do it with your speaker notes. So I didn't add notes to any of these. If I were to like go on this slide and I could put anything I want. I'll just put my name real quick, uh, and I go back to it, one slide with notes. You'll see that my name pops up there. So whatever notes you put in will pop up under it, and then you can go over your speaker notes. So you know what you want to say for a slide or other points that you want to go over, and then you can print that out. The last thing we'll talk about is how to publish your Google presentation. So if you click on File, you can go down and you can publish this to the web. And if you want, you can also download it. You can download it as a PowerPoint, a PDF, or even an image, which is really convenient for going over your slides or using it on a different format.